Good morning, everyone. Today is day 3 of my 30-day weight loss journey. My body still feels heavy, but my determination, it's stronger than ever. The first few days aren't about visible change, they're about not giving up. Today I chose these simple meals to give my body the care it needs after the first few days of learning how to change. For breakfast, 2 eggs cooked with spinach and mushrooms, packed with protein, iron and fiber to keep me full and energized. 1 slice of whole grain bread, a steady source of carbs to keep blood sugar stable. A cup of warm honey and ginger water. It soothes digestion, warms the body, and helps reduce inflammation. As always, I start my day with 500 milliliters of warm lemon water to flush out toxins and wake up my metabolism. After that, I keep drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. For lunch, 100 g of grilled chicken breast, lean protein to protect muscle and burn more calories. A big salad, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, rich in fiber and vitamins to aid digestion. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, healthy fats that help absorb nutrients. Half an avocado, packed with good fats, potassium, and keeps me full longer. Throughout the day, I sip on lemon and mint-infused water. It keeps me hydrated and helps control my sugar cravings. For dinner, a bowl of vegetable soup, pumpkin, carrots, onions, low in calories, high in vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin. 80 g of steamed cod, lean protein that's easy to digest. 1 small apple, a simple, fiber-rich way to stay satisfied. Before bed I drink a cup of chamomile tea. It calms me down, relieves stress, and helps me sleep deeply. Today I leveled up just a little. 20 minutes of brisk walking and 10 minutes of light jogging. Not fast, but enough to get my heart pumping and my body working. It's a different feeling. Tired, but powerful. Maybe my body is finally learning to burn fat instead of giving up. Every small step matters. Today wasn't perfect, but it was better than yesterday. Thank you for staying with me through day 3. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so we can keep walking this 30-day journey together. We're changing, one step at a time.